So I don't know how to make an introduction, so I'll just start the tutorial. Today I will show everyone how to make the dspico auto-load to a game, how to change the icon, title, subtitle, everything inside the DS models and 3DS models. They have a small difference because of how the 3DS processes the images and the titles and subtitles. I will explain that in a bit. I've seen a lot of people actually wanting to do that, and I followed what this person right here, Ansem, uh, told me. Basically, he discovered a way to change the icons and change the subtitles. So, thanks to him, I'm going to show you in a bit. I'm not responsible for any damages caused to your dspico. It's unlikely, but we are going to change the firmware a bit, even if it's nothing too deep. So, how to make the auto load? I will start by this. By the way, um, Handsome has their website here as well. So, how to make the auto load to games. First of all, you are not using the loader from the dspico, the original one. We are going to use the Twilight menu flashcard version because um, there is no way to, at least that I found of, to actually change um, from menu to the game itself without any menus on the original loader. So what we will do is use Twilight menu. You want the flashcard version, then you want to download this file, just click, then it will prompt to you where do you want to save it. I already have it here, so um, I will not be downloading it. So basically what you want from the this copy here of the flashcard version is the NDS folder. You just have to select it and put it inside your SD card, and your boot.nds. You want to change it to pico boot.nds and just drag and drop it here, and that's basically it. Now, how to actually configure this is you go to NDS, then you go to Twilight menu, you go over here to settings, and then on the settings, what you want to find is, first of all, auto run the game. You want to change this for 1 if it isn't. Show logo to 0 if you don't want the logo to be presented to you before the game. And then you want to check the secondary ROM path to the one on your SD card. So right here I have this path, which is the root of the SD card, so right here, and then it goes to this default NDS. Uh, if yours is different compared to mine, so if it is, I don't know, the game title itself, you change it over here, and this should already work. If it doesn't, just message me on Reddit, and I will happily help everyone that needs. Okay, so now we are going for the part that everyone has been wondering on the subreddits and online. How to change the icon itself. I will assume that you already have everything on the guide to make your own firmware done until the compiling the dspico bootloader part. Uh, if you don't, just follow this small guide. It's not hard. So basically, what you want to do is clone the repository, initialize the submodules of the part 3. After you do that, what you will want to do is you want to go to your folder where you have the bootloader, and what you want to do is change this icon to the one that you want. So it will come with the dspico icon. I have this pure heart NDS pure heart ROM icon, and you want to change the make file, so you want to have something to edit this file, I will use Visual Studio Code. You will select allow. Then what you want to change is here the game title and author. So change these two and just save and close. After that, you will have everything prepared for your to compile. I'm sorry, and that's basically how you can change the icons. But how can you get the icons themselves? There are a couple of ways to get them. So one of them is going to be the VG Museum, the Nintendo DS icons parts here. Basically, they have every single, or at least for my knowledge, it's every single DS icon. You can just, for example, right click, save image as, and then you will be downloading an image. I will just show you here an example. Let me just download it. Could be this one. The only thing that you need to change is um, the name from what it is to icon and from .png to .bmp. Yes, and then you have the icon itself already prepared. If you want to extract from one of your ROMs, it's also possible using the NDS icon app. Basically, you select the ROM and you extract the icon. Or if your ROM is not compatible with this application, basically you can use the Crystal Tile 2. Basically, what you will want to do is let me just I don't have it here. Let me just download the Crystal Tile here because this one doesn't have an interface that is actually very helpful. It's a hard to learn um, interface. Oh, it's not this one, sorry, it's probably this one. Yes, it is this one. So here, basically, what you want to do is open your ROM, and then there will be this icon right here, and then it will show everything from the cartridge itself, and then you want to press right click on one that says banner.bin, and then you want to extract it for your desktop, and then you want to have this tool as well, the NDS banner editor. You will open the banner and then export the image and just do what I did to this one. That will basically give you the the prepared icon. This one, this method allows you to do it with every single NDS, or at least for my knowledge, every single NDS file that is a game. This one has to be the original games. So there's that. And now for the little tutorial here, I won't be able to show you exactly the steps because this is the part where you need the 3DS. Because if you already have played your dspico on your 3DS, most likely it saved the cache memory of your icon and name of the cartridge. So uh, even if you do everything to the compilation, to the changing the icon and title, it will not show on the 3DS. Basically, what you need to do is download this app, Cthulhu 3DS, from Ryuzaki. It will be a CIA file, so it's inside this 7Z compression file. Then you will have to insert it into your FBI and then download it. After you have it download, what you want to do is open the homebrew launcher. Then you want to open the Cthulhu app. It will take a bit. Then what you want to do is home menu icon cache management, and then you want to clear the home menu icon cache. That's the only option that you need to select. Your theme, if you have it on your 3DS, will flash, so it will basically disappear. You have to um, reapply it, but nothing really changes. It's just so the cache memory is cleaned, and then your 3DS icon should be good to go. So um, that's how you change. That's how you can change the icon on your 3DS. If you never actually use your dspico on the 3DS, it shouldn't uh, have the old icon. It should have yours and your title plus subtitle, so you don't have to worry. And no, this process is not for the DS family, because they don't store it, the information on the console itself. It stores the information on the cartridge. Then for the last part, I will show you the tools that you can use to make your own team. Uh, Santiago Valencia made this website where you can create your own team. You feed it the top screen, the bottom screen, and you can put MP3. You can select the overlay, icons, and layout. You can also see what other people have made and uploaded right here. There are not many, but it's just already something. And then you have the bin decoder. You can actually use the application as well. So there is the live application. You don't have to use the website. It's here on the GitHub. And for the covers, it's the same thing. It's here on the uh, on this um, on this website. You can either make it via the website made by Scaletta, or the GitHub itself. It has here the downloads. And actually, I'm sorry, this one doesn't have the downloads. It's via via web. It's not via application. This one is via both web and application right here. Basically, what you want to do is just run. You select the path where your ROMs are. You run it, and then it's already done. Basically, that's how you can change everything for now. This method to change your dspico icon also works with the new firmware, but the new, not the new firmware, I'm sorry, the new loader and um, the new loader and the new menu. So yeah, it works for everything because it's firmware level and not application level.